I have that same lingerie you just opened, just in a smaller size. Just threw up in my mouth a little bit. It's okay. Jamie, is the receipt in here with this? Okay. Now, Brittany, I got you the ironing board and the iron so that you can take care of my baby Mark and make sure his work clothes are ready each day, like a good wife. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. So you can go ahead and scoot that ironing board and iron back to your car, because guess what? Mark's not my child. He's a fully capable adult. Now, I'm not sure why no one has asked to take a picture with me at this party and just you. You're being kind of selfish, don't you think? I mean, my son's getting married too. This is a bridal shower where you shower the bride with love and attention and gifts before the wedding. Now, if you want to shower you and Mark, weird. Go throw him a man shower. Yeah, Linda, let's go!